Greetings. In order for you to use your magical power to achieve your every desire, you have to first know that that power lies within you. Therefore, it's very important for you to know who you are and how powerful you are. Now, most people allow the chattering of their mind to control the entire day. But if you can calm your mind down and get rid of all that chattering by practicing meditation, practicing mindful breathing and mindful thinking, then you will be able to keep down that monkey brain that chatters all the time, and you will be able to focus and concentrate upon your desire so much that you will be able to visualize that which you desire vividly and act it out in the theater of your mind, in the world of spirit. And so you have access to the invisible energy, that which you cannot see because you have an energy body. And when you operate the science of alchemy, you'll be able to transmute your reality whichever way you want it to be. But you have to first see it in your mind's eye. You have to first see it through the invisible eye, the eye of the infinite, the eye of God that is within you, that inner intelligence that is referred to as the potter that can form and shape and mold anything. And so your soul operates in picture. So it always pictures that which is impressed upon it. And that is why when you have a burning desire, it's actually a spiritual sensation, and it is time for you to walk the wheel as the potter who wants to display his every desire. So my brother, my sisters, you have to find time each and every day to meditate. You have to find time each and every day to visualize. And you have to be definite about what you want. And you must know that your word is your wand. You must accept the fact that you are a magician. And you must also accept the fact that you're a great metaphysician. And that when you read the Bible of a Lord, a Master, a Savior, it is not speaking of one outside of yourself. It is speaking of your metaphysical self. So it is showing you a great metaphysical master which will save you from every disaster in the world of Caesar. So my brother, my sisters, seize the moment and put everything in your imagination. In other words, trust your imagination. Get the courage to trust yourself, to believe in yourself, to love yourself, and to embrace yourself. And start to use your imagination morning, noon, and night. That is how you use your magical power to achieve your every desire. It's simple. It doesn't cost you anything but self-discipline. It doesn't cost you anything but self-mastery. Start to master yourself and be in more control of your mind, because you're the Lord and Master of your destiny. Because whether you believe it or not, it is your own thoughts that is creating your reality and creating your personality. In simple terms, as you think it in your invisible world, as you see it in your invisible world, so shall it be in your visible world. You are the cause of everything that's happening in your life. The things of matter are the things that you see on the physical. They are the effects, but you are the cause of everything. So my brother, my sisters, what are you thinking about? What are the inner conversations that you're holding morning, noon, and night? All of that will be reflected in your outer three-dimensional world. So nothing is hidden. Everything will be made known. So, in short, the secret is this. Whatsoever things are good, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are true, if they have any virtue, you must think upon these things and visualize your life whichever way you want it to be. And that which was done in secret, your Father will reward you openly. So, with that being said, my brother, my sister, I can go on and on and on. But the main thing I want you to get to understand is that you must learn to trust your imagination and use your imagination morning, noon, and night to create your reality consciously. So with that being said, my brother, my sister, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me, what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you, and you haven't subscribed already, I'm definitely encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share this video. Also, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, or you'd like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at Black Mad Guru. Also, I encourage you to get my latest book. It's called Spiritual Recipe for Better Living. And to cut a long story short, everything that you need to know about me, and if you would like to get in touch with me, all of the links, they're down below. So check out everything that is available down below and support the merch also. So with that being said, my brother and my sisters, I just want to say peace, love you all, out.